So your device run into problem, need to restart. So guys, first forcefully turn off your laptop, continue press your power button, then it is turned off, then release the power button. Okay, and then press shift key. You can see you can use left hand side key and then press power button. Means first press shift key and then press power button. Do not release shift key. After that it will come troubleshoot options, and after that we will start troubleshooting. Okay. Continue press, do not release. After that it will come this window, then click to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then you can see system restore. Then next, and it will show, you can see here icon to show more restore point, otherwise it will show all, it's okay. Then select which is older date when your system is working normally. Okay, like this is this date my system was normal, then click to next. Next, click on finish and then click to yes. It, in this case your driver and your most of your data, it's very secure, no worry about it. It will restore your setting only. Okay, your data as it is, we same date will save it. Okay, only it will go to back system old setting. Okay, not data. Thank you. So wait few seconds, it is restoring the file, and it will take some time, depend about your system configurations, your system speed. After few minutes you can see it will come successfully restore, and then click to restart. Now is restore and then close it.